Hey, we're back in Games of War, Part 4. I don't know what else to expect from the later chapters. We're gonna kill all the locusts, chainsaw through them all, and let's see if I can complete the whole entire game. Okay, so to start off the video, I got to this tomb spot, and I'm not sure what to do.
Unfortunately, all we gotta do is get her to follow us.
Who am I getting to follow me? That's right, I'm getting no one to follow me. No, I don't want anyone to follow me, like, at all. No one's gonna follow me. I don't know why. Because I'm too good at the game. Yeah, I don't need no followers or anything. I'm too good. I'm perfect. Oh, what was that? I'm fighting tigers. Is there a tiger in here? I don't think that's a tiger. What is that? I hear something. I see a door. Do I just shoot the door? I hear chains. There's like, what? What is that? What is that? Oh my God! What is that? Do I shoot at it? Oh! What the hell is that? Ah! It's the Incredible Hulk. It's the Hulk Buster. Ah! No. Whoa. Bad boy. Ah! Wait, why is that door open? Okay, I guess I knocked the door over.
You're running out of time.
Oh my God. It's the Incredible Inducing Hulk! Ah! Die! Oh my God, it's indestructible. What happened back? Ah! It's indestructible! No, I'm out here. I'm out of here. Bye-bye. See you later. I'm out of here. What is this cover doing? Should we down, okay? Ah! Wait, I think I have to get it to smash from this one. Hey! Oh my God! Hey! Hey! Ah! This reminds me of like running Fredbear. Instead of Fredbear, it's replaced by a monster! A literal mutant monster! Ah! Okay, hey! Eat dirt! Hey! Eat dirt! Where are you, Eat dirt? Where is it? Oh, I think it found me! It found me! Alright. This time I won't mess up. Get out! What do I do? Oh, hammer down? Okay, here we go. Die! You stupid monster! Oh! Alright, your time to turn. Go! Burn you into a crisp. Yes, you are dead.
Hey, Cole. There. It's all clear. Control.
Wow.
Delta. Come in.
That was crazy.
I read you, Marcus. Colonel Hoffman is coming online.
Report. Alpha. And we have the resonator.
Very good. Stand by for new orders.
You guys all right? We gotta get out of here. It's gonna be dark soon. So?
Delta, we now have a secondary target.
Plug up a
You'll
bomb.
deploy your resonator in the Lethia Emulsion Facility due west of your position. And you're in charge, Sergeant Phoenix. As of
Ooh,
now.
we got
Sergeant?
raised up to a sergeant.
Copy that. We're clear for Ravens.
Negative. Area's too hot for choppers. You'll have to find another way. Off and out.
Give a smart guy a promotion. Give it to a jackass.
Bear, shut up!
So we gotta hump this to the factory or what?
Nah, screw that. I got an idea.
Oh, yeah? What is it, smart guy? Enough.
Shut up, Bear!
Let's move.
Nobody likes you. Alright, skip that cutscene. Why do I keep skipping? Okay. Tick, tick, boom.
Marcus, this is Anya. Hammer of Dawn is offline.
No!
Perfect.
Went offline. Oh, wait, then I don't need this. Okay.
Control.
Alright.
We're outside, too.
Where do we go?
The emulsion factory is 10 clicks ahead. But be advised, you've got enemy units moving to your location. They definitely know where you are.
Copy that. Great.
Why is it so bright? I just want to stop to say, why the hell the map's so bright? Okay, we'll go left.
Baird and I will go left. You two take right. Sounds good.
Alright,
I'm gonna find me some locusts and I'm gonna ruin their day. You know what I mean? I'm bringing the pain.
Don't you ever get tired?
Hell to the no.
hell to the no. Hell to the no.
Dom, we're blocked.
Oh.
See if you can find another way into the building.
Dom, you gotta unblock us. Please, Dom, please. Please, how do I kill Bear? How do I get Bear away? Oh. Oh, it's a little rat. Look at the rat. No! They killed the rat! What are those things?
Down there. Damn it! Boomers! You've got
Boomers?
Move in on your position right now.
People are so small.
What? Where?
They killed the rat. Okay. Oh, what do we do? Are they firing rocket launchers? They have rocket launchers. Die. Crush. Oh my god. I tried to insta kill him with the shotgun, but I don't think it works well. Yeah, I don't think it works. Oh, the little rat. Look how cute he is. Oh my god! Okay, we gotta kill these rocket launcher guys. Boom! Is that what you say? Is that what you say? Boom? Come on. Aiden, why is he walking up? We did it!
These
Oh my
guys are
god.
almost as big as you, Cole.
Alright, give me that. Give me the rocket launchers. Alright, let's see. Let's see how good this weapon is. Door. Oh! What is that? Oh my god, squid! It's an octopus!
Like a snap.
It's
Shit.
octopus.
I think I'm kidding. I think you're bad shit crazy. That's what I think.
It's an octopus.
Like two assholes on their first date.
Alright, what else is this? Oh, a lucky surprise! That's worth through that wall. More fighting? More locusts? More fighting? More locusts? What are they fighting at the back? Okay, let's go here. Here's the ball time. Go here to get this thing. Some ammo. Oh! What is that? Corpser. I think it's called a corpser. Oh. Let's test how good this rocket launcher is. Oh my god! This weapon is crazy! I didn't know the boomers carried this thing all around. Right, here we go. Boom! Boom! Oh my god. No, don't kill bear. Actually, yeah, kill bear. Come on! Yeah! I'm not reviving you, bear. You revive yourself, boy. You're stronger. Ow! Boom! Second time. Boom! No, I missed. Boom! Why is it not working? Why am I not booming? Hey! Don't hit me. Don't shoot me. Oh. Boom! Yeah! Look at all those guts. Oh! Gremlin! 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 I love this music though. I don't have a. Oh wait, pistol. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We rushing in. We rushing in. That's what we doing now. We rushing in. That's what you get. I really need to find some. Oh, speak of the devil, I got some ammo for this rocket launcher. This is a very small rocket launcher, though.
I can use a hand here. We gotta get out of here, man. If you got a plan, let's hear it.
I know somebody who lives out here. Got a vehicle. Piece of crap junker.
A vehicle?
You know one of these stranded guys?
Yeah, there's a camp up ahead.
Oh no.
So,
In case you don't know, I have a
what?
puzzle piece.
You hang out with stranded?
I don't hang out, dickwad. I'm looking for somebody.
What did you just say?
What? What'd I say?
He just said wad, and I'm not repeating the other word. Okay. Environment Marcus. Look at this couch. Destroy the couch. You can just walk up to the couch and it destroys. Contact! Yes! I definitely knew that there will be a contact. Checkpoint. Checkpoint! Wait, I can't refill the rocket launcher? Oh, that sucks. That's so bad. That's horrible. Oh! Oh, yes, I'm supposed to. How to do this? Did you see how close that was to hitting me? If that were just like one, like, micro close to me, I would have been dead. Dom and Cole are down. Oh! Die, 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 die. Oh my god. What do we do? What is the boomer doing? That's what he was doing! So violent. See, Corpser! I told you he was chasing us! I jump! Boom! Die, 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 die. Boom! Come on! Why don't you die? Throw a grenade! Frag out! Come on! Yeah! That hit a lot of them. Good aim is good precision. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Don't mess with me, I'm Marcus Phoenix. Holy crap! Yeah! Boomer's dead. Pick up the ammo. Do that. No! Back in your hole. Nice one. that. I messed up. Oh my god, I messed up the reload. Alright. Ow! Where's sniper? Boom! Oh, I'm in this. Boom! What? Come on. Boom! He's dead. Oh, boom! It's not working. I didn't hit him. How's he still alive? Oh! Get out my face. Get out my face. Alright,
Got it.
Ah!
Watch it.
Yeah, watch it. Watch me whip. Watch me nay. Wait, hold on. Let me just... Let's start. I can't believe you can headshot with a little shotgun. Mix up his name? I knew that. Okay, I need to finish rocket launcher though, because it's such a good weapon. So I heard the FNAF like buzzing noise. Get these stairs. Whoa.
Go. Screwing with us.
What? Screwing with us? What? Ah! Oh, gremlins! Ah! Alright, get down there. Oh, gremlins! Okay. Over here, we'll find an ammo box. Yeah! Fresh latency ammo. Whoa, is that? Is that God? Never mind, it's not God. It's a spider. It's a big old spider. And a boomer, actually. Here, die. Die, boomer. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Respectfully. How do I kill him? What did I just open? Come on! Yes! Oh! Come on.
Mama said I can't die.
Yeah, Mama said you can't die. So OP. Where's your rocket launcher? Show me where it is. Damn it. Alright, let's get this ammo right here. Where did he drop his gun? Where is it? Oh, okay, never mind, I found it. What is this, bridge? Kick their butt.
Better reload.
Wait, it's moving?
Why?
Oh, yeah, it is moving. It's moving to the car. Active pursuit! Whoa, ground shaking. Ground breaking. Ground faking. I faked up the ground. He shook it up the ground. What are you doing in the car? Get off that car. It doesn't belong to you. Bear, look out, there's a gremlin. Ow. Boom! I missed. Boom! I didn't miss. Gremlin! Dude. Come here, gremlin. I was just still screaming. Alright, how do you do this? Open cover. Throw that grenade.
Fire in the hole.
Boom! Picked it. Ha! Okay, let me teammates. Alright. Come here. Oh, no, I missed it! What is that, some damn monkey dog? Boom! Flash. Come on. Yeah! Killed you! Get up! Get up, everyone! Get up! Welcome back to the party, boys! Oh, what the? Oh my god, they're coming out of a hole! Can you see? I think I see it. I see what they're coming out of. Look at that. Yes, I closed it! Okay. Boom! Oh. We did it!
Not to tell me twice.
I did it! Ah! Who are you?
Same old
Enemy.
shit.
Franklin,
Oh my god, he's immune to bullets.
Usual
He's a
spot.
god. Where do we go? Wait. Talk tech! Talk tech! Talk! I found a talk! I found a talk tech! What's this?
Whoops. I need ammo.
Shut up. What do you mean by cog bull crap? Don't tush.
Hey, pig. I'm talking to you, piggy. Blow me.
leave it alone, man.
Are you mom?
Yeah, leave them alone. Don't talk to these stranded peeps. They don't know what's up. We're gonna eat them. We're gonna get them. What was that? Let me focus. Hey, okay, what is he selling? He's selling rats. It's like a tree. More rat, more tree. Got some bottles. Got a pan. He's cooking something up. He's cooking rats. All right. Some good protein. Oh, look how bright it is, though. Okay, I want to pause. Why is it so bright? I don't know. You tell me. What the hell?
It's all you, Dom.
Oh, I thought he was flying.
I'll let you down.
Hey, Santiago.
I thought he was
what
straight
you
up just
doing
flying.
here? No news on the lady, man. I'll tell you if I heard anything. I don't want people seeing me with you, all
Who's
right?
that?
It's not good for
Travis
business,
Scott?
man.
Give me that junk of
Is
yours.
that Tyson Ed?
Say what? Get real, man.
Is that
Serious,
Bear?
we need it.
Sorry to hear y'all having problems, man, but I'm not giving you my ride, yo.
Give him his ride.
You owe me one. I'm calling in the favor right now.
Give him his. Hey! Don't. Cogs.
All right, man, I'll do it. Yo, on one condition. They stay here, yo. As collateral. We can use the extra guns, man.
Done.
It's an Asheville gas station. Why don't you go get it?
Yeah.
Hey,
Be quiet.
Yo, Santiago. We even now, man. No more favors, asshole.
I wanted to jinx him so bad, but it was a bad word.
It's all right. Hey, hands off the merchandise. Yeah, you. Bear it out.
Bear, shut up! Okay, whatever.
Chap's gas station, corner left street 13.
Chaps
There's gonna be a lot
gas
of locust
station.
between here and there.
Oh,
you got that right. You need to hit our checkpoints for some ammo. The first one's by the river. So if I was your ass, I'd get my ass over there pronto. You dig?
You dig? What are we digging? A shovel? We digging with a shovel. Get him away, Dom. Kicked him in his legs. Oh boy. Let's go through here. Where are we going? Oh, now go up there, I guess.
It's getting late.
This looks like a
Let's
family
find that
house.
checkpoint.
Oh, he wasn't wrong when he said there's gonna be locust left and white. Left and white. I hate hardcore mode. I hate hardcore mode.
Ah, come on.
Did they really just? I hate hardcore mode. Look at this.
I need ammo.
I don't have any rocket launcher ammo, and my pistol's almost empty. Roar! I hate hardcore mode. What? How did I die? What hit me? Wow! What was that? Okay, Dom. What is hitting me? The air is hitting me. The oxygen is hitting me. They're sending out the FBI at me. They know I'm here. I'm gonna die. Oh! Get in the house! My guess. What? Why? I know I'm gonna be stuck on this for a couple of hours now, since there's something in the house. I don't know what it is. If I try to shoot it, try to throw a grenade at it. I can't. I don't have any grenades. I know that thing is gonna shoot at me again, and I'm gonna die because of it. I'm gonna just throw a grenade in there. Never mind. I resolved the problem. But the problem is, there's a grenadier next to me, and took me wrong weapon. I think I just need a break. I need something like positive to refresh. Like take a nap. And Dom is dead. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Raid! Oh! Frag in the air. I hate this game. Pausing. Unpausing. Come on, come in the house then. Come in the house. Come in the house. Come in the house. Yeah, come in the house then. Come in the house. I dare you. Come in the house. Come in the house then. Come in the house. Come on. Waiting. Yeah, what I tell you. Exploded head. Come in the house then. Come in the house then, scaredy cat. Come in the house. I don't know, y'all saw that too. Come in the house then. Come on. Come on, fight me. Fight me. Dude, there's a sniper in the building. Oh my god.
I need ammo.
Where?
Can't move.
Yep, I knew it. Shut up. Hey! Oh my god, I dodged it perfectly.
Thanks, man.
Get in there. You ain't killing me. Bro. I kill you first. Yeah, that's right. How sadly, I have to abandon
Good to go.
my rocket launcher. So sad. I need something. I need food. Oh, striker? How does this work? Let's see. Okay. What is that, a boat? We got a boat, that's what we got. Shoot him in the head. Shoot him in the head. Oh, there's one in his face. Boom! Oh my god! Yeah, that's right. Your brother's dead. Yo, why not just... Okay, he's body blocking shots. Okay, that's not fair. That's so not fair. Okay, move the boat. Move the boat. Move the boat. Move the boat.
I can't see it.
Huh? What? Cussing? Oh my god! Batman bats! There's bats flying in the air! They're flying in the air! There's bats! I see bats! I see bats! Oh my god, there's bats! There's bats! There's bats! Oh my god. Move the boat. Oh, Rom! I don't know who Rom is though. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. What is that? What is that? What is that? What are those things? Are those lines? Are they just lines? They look like love bugs to me. I don't know what happened.
Stay
Oh,
there. We're coming over.
humans.
Stay under the light.
Oh no.
Shit.
Franklin, Santiago.
Hey, it's dark now, so you better watch it, man. The krill are probably out by now.
Yeah, they are. And they just killed the guys at checkpoint 1.
Shit. All right, yo, Santiago, man. That means they're coming this way. Johnson, check the lights. Yo, man, you better
they're
keep
coming
moving.
back.
Checkpoint 2 is up ahead.
Anyways, look at all this. Oh! Jackpot! More jackpots. I found more jackpots. And more ammo for my pistol, which is kind of useless to me, I guess. Kick down the door. Let's go in here. Let's see what's in. Kick down the door. Let's see. What's that? Gas tank? Give me that gas tank. Ooh.
Emergence hole.
What was that?
Shoot the tank.
Oh, wait, emergence hole. Shoot the tanks?
Frag out.
What, the gas tanks? What are we shooting? Gas tanks. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, I get it now. We're supposed to shoot these? So it looks light? So like the bats don't kill you? Oh, no. You killed my friend! I killed you! Wake up, Dom. Wake up, stop sleeping. What? Is it going off?
I can't see it.
Shoot every propane tank you see
Real
from
time
now
to
on.
react.
We need the light of that. They kill us.
Yeah, they're
So
gonna
we
kill
do.
us, dude. They're gonna kill us. What you expect? Boom, boom. Like that. I heard a snake. I don't know what it was, but I heard a snake. What's in there? Ah! Contact! Yeah! So, what do we do here now? Oh! Speak of the devil. Another gas tank to be shot. Take cover! More gas tanks! Oh, I can't even hit it now because it's rocket. Boom, boom. Move over there, move it. Oh, move over there. Move over there. Over there. Move over there. Another gas tank. Okay. Alright. Oh, I see the tractor. I'm getting close to you. I'm getting close to you. You got a cower in fear. Or my frag grenade will kill you. Yeah. Now I'm not afraid of you now. Okay, let's go into this house. Oh, I thought I was gonna get killed for a second. But no, just a little unpleasant surprise. Unpleasant, I meant. Boom! I couldn't boom him. Check out my shotgun. Boom! There goes your head. It's gone. Ah! Never mind, it's a gremlin.
Okay.
Gone?
Shit, yeah, baby, we got to hook up. They're giving us a big ass dinner.
What the hell happened with us?
Shit. Bear's having a hard time adjusting, you know.
What is he
Tell
adjusting?
Bear to shut up and eat. We'll be back soon.
Yeah, even Marcus knows that. He tells Bear to shut up. Where'd the wrench go? Left a big old pile of ketchup stains on the carpet. Kick down that door, let's go inside. Oh! Whoa, it's so bright. Whoa, they're coming out of the ground. They're like vampires. I can't even see. We're in heaven. We're fighting in heaven now, I guess. We're heaven fighters now. Fighting against hell. Boom. Whoa! There, Grace is gone. Holy crap. Whole flashbang in my face. Alright, I understand it now. That's something I don't understand. Why did the air just hit me? Oh! Okay, ow! It hit me. Die. Oh, no! Did he miss the head? Oh, he's backing up. He knows. He's scared. Boom. Shoot his helmet off. Then, boom! I didn't headshot him, though. Boom!
Come on!
Then, I see your boot. I see your head! Yeah. They kind of look like Venom to me. Like Venom creatures. You guys know Venom, right? Oh wait, gas tank. He's angry, he didn't like that.
I'll take those.
Alright, let's see. Let's go inside the building. Let's see. Ah! Oh, it's pushable. I think that's enough pushing. Okay. I get that. Of course Dom dies in the danger zone. Why wouldn't he? Classic Dom. Oh! Get down, Marcus! Why is it so delayed? And that didn't even hit. Alright, get up. Come on, Dom. Let's go kill them.
Attack!
Attack! I didn't know I could do that.
I'm out.
Dom, what happened? Why are you dead again? No! Pushing the car. Come on, push the car. Take cover. Take your helmet out. Yep. Run in there. I'm so sorry. Oh. Shortcut! Yeah, you guys are supposed to look at me. heard a rumor. What happened?
Ah, damn.
I'm sorry. Why I had to do this?
Throwing frag.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh wait, they're not dead. They're not dead. That one is dead though. Hey. No. You're gonna die. Oh my god. Ketchup! What do you have to do? Oh wait, ammo box. That's what we do. We go through here.
Lock and load.
What the? What's that? Oh, it's a gas tank. Gas tank. Boom. Is there anything up there? No. So we're good. Put down there. In this building. Dom, what are you fighting?
Engage.
Whatever you're fighting, go ahead and attack it.
Delta, this is Control.
Oh.
We're seeing hostiles on our radar near Delta 2's position.
Copy that. Are they aware?
Affirmative. They're taking defensive action.
Copy that. Delta out.
They're self-aware. Wait, am I in like one spot? I have to solo? Alright then. If that's what the game wants me to do, I guess. Oh, hi Dom. Okay, he killed the other locust. That's kind of nice. Oh. Are you serious? Okay, no, I'm going back in. Going back in. If I die one more time, I swear if I die one more time. I never die in this game. I never die. See? Look, I never die. I'm too good. Oh! Oh my god! His body went to space. No! Hey guys. Still out part for this video. I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.